Welcome back, everybody. Appreciate everybody that been staying tuned, fucking with the boy. You feel me? Today, we just want to do a couple tips and tricks, hidden features of the car, things that we probably didn't know, and things I'm just going to point out. So, stay tuned. We're going to get straight into the video. Okay, that's one of them. If you double press the unlock button and hold it, the window should go down. Let's see. Yep. Crazy thing is they will not roll back up, so you have to cut the car back on to roll them up. And if it does not work when you try that, let me show you in the settings of the radio. Like, it's the settings in there where you can set it to make this happen if it does not already do it. So I'll show you. Hold on. Okay, so this is how we get to it. If you want your windows to roll down, you hit settings, you go over to vehicle, you go over to remote lock and unlock, you scroll down and it should be right here. Remote window operation. So there you go. Besides all the other settings in here, you ain't checked that video out when I went through everything in here, I'll leave that description in the bottom. But let's get to the next one. So when it's in track mode, if you double tap the traction button, this is what it will do. Put you right into competitive mode. And this is what y'all will want to race in if you're racing somebody. That way it's like everything unlocked under your car, like all the components, and you get the most out of it. But that's how you do that. Let me see. Once the light turn, I'm gonna try to give y'all a little quick example of how it's sounding, how it feels. All right, here we go. It's a whole different car in this film. Let's see. Mode. You hear that popcorn? Listen. Ooh. Yeah. And this is what you want to be in when you're tearing that ass up. But yeah, let me slow it down. So you could double tap this in track mode and sport mode, and it will bring up the competitive mode, but it will not do it in tour or snow and ice. Just so you know. And the other way you can activate it, let me show you. God damn, somebody started driving. Is if you double tap the pedal. Let me show you this. See it? There you go. Performance shift. And now your car automatically shift to that performance mode without you even have to press in the button. So that's how you do it. That's another way you can get to it. And you can do that in any mode. Tour, sport, track, snow, and ice. So if you just double tap the pedal, it should get you right into that performance mode. So yeah, let's get to the next one. So another way is the trunk button, how to open your trunk. You got one way, you got two on your keys. Keys right here. This will be your trunk open. And you also got a button right here, right there, and that's how you can also open your trunk. So, and one other way, if you ever do lock your keys in the trunk or anything like that, God forbid you don't, the only way you'll be able to get inside the car to get your keys is if you go through the back seat like that, climb through the back and hit the trunk release button, and then the trunk will pop back open. Another way would be through the Chevy Amp. You could do a lot through here, like lock your doors, unlock your doors, start your car up. That's another way to auto start. So you got this way you can auto start your car, and you also got it right here where you just press the lock button and hit the auto start button. Hold it till it auto start. And you have all this stuff in here like that. You also got the flash your lights and stuff like that. So that's also good to know. Like if you do lock your keys in the car, even though the car won't lock because your keys is in the car, but you'll still be able to unlock your doors or lock your doors. Sound alarm, if you in like a parking lot, you're not sure where the hell your car at, you can just hit the alarm button and it'll start flashing and sound alarm for you. So this app pretty cool, you know, just to use. And if you ever want to know anything, you can hit that. They'll bring you into a whole different gauge, let you know how much mileage you got, your oil life, tire pressure, everything. Then you can even schedule your services all through this app. I'm trying to let it load real quick so I can show you, but it probably ain't gonna load because the location, I don't even got 5G, so we will see. Okay, there you go. So still loading. But yeah, that's pretty much what it is. It'll bring down your oil. Man, it won't bring down. It will show you your oil life, your gas. Got 47% oil left before I need an oil change. They'll show you your tire pressure, recommended. They'll show you all your diagnostic stuff and everything to just not getting no signal because where I'm at. So let's get to the next one. This is how you can keep your radio on when the car is completely off. You don't have to cut the car on to cut the radio on. You just hold the button. And then the radio will be connected. You don't even need to cut the car on. So that's pretty cool because sometimes, you know, a lot of people think they got to press the button in order to get the car on when you really don't. All you got to do is press that. And then it'll come on. So that's pretty cool to know. Next thing is, so another one is if your keys ever do die, you know, you got to take this piece off right here. I ain't going to take it off, but you pop this piece off. That's where you should be able to insert the key to unlock your door. Once you unlock your door, you will want to put your keys right inside here, because it's like a little charger right here for the keys. So when you put your keys here, it will help charge the battery a little bit for you. But you still would need to go get a new battery. But yeah, that's good to know. You put your keys right there, and then it'll start charging your little key, your key fob that died. So that's the other way to get to it. Besides the app that I showed you where you can just unlock your car and everything like that. So, yeah. So this right here be another one that I'm pretty sure a lot of people don't know. But it says Camaro right there in my lights. That shit hard as shit. That's cool. You can't beat that. You know, a lot of people ain't know that, but yeah. So another cool feature is, let me roll the window down so you can see. Anytime you put your car in reverse, you see the mirror go down. And then whenever you put it back in drive or park, it'll go back up. So that's a cool feature if you know that you be parking close to the curves and everything. It'll let you know how close the curve is. And that's easy to fix and adjust. You go back to your settings. Remember, I made a video on all this already, going through all these settings. So that's pretty much what you want to do. Go through vehicle, then you'll do your, let me see, which one was it again? I think it's the comfort and convenience, and that's where it's at, reverse tilt mirror. If you do it, you can pick passenger side, which is that. You could do the driver side, you could do both of them, or you could turn it off. I only keep it on the passenger because that's most likely, the right side is normally where I always park at, close to the curves. So yeah, that's another good feature to know. Another one would be this beautiful but gorgeous backup camera, or whatever the hell it is. It's not even a backup camera, But yeah, that's another one. You got buttons right here where you could change the brightness and everything, plus the zoom and everything like that. You can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can make it go up, you can make it go down. So remember when people was asking me if my wing was in the way, it's really not. You just adjust it and then there you go. So that's another cool feature to know, just so you know. So say for example, you just pulled up at the gas station and you know you don't really want to cut your car off. You're only running in there to get something real quick. You can keep your car running like this. Go ahead. Let's see. Normally it'll beep, but if not, you can lock your doors with your key fob while the car is running. So nobody won't steal your car. So let's just make sure and see. Door should be locked and shouldn't nobody be able to get in the car. Let's see. Yeah, it's locked. And then you just press your button, doors are locked, and you back in your car. So that's a good feature because I run to the gas station a lot and I don't want to keep cutting my car on and off, so I'll go ahead and keep my car running, jump out, the doors are locked. If not, I'll make sure I lock it with my key fob, and then when I get back to the car, I just go ahead. So that's a good feature to know, that your car can still be running and you can lock the doors. So yeah. So I want to thank everybody for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what y'all think, man. You know, I gave y'all at least like 10 different things that y'all probably knew. Some people did know. I seen some videos on it. I seen some videos of some of the things I did explain that wasn't even on it. That I didn't even see a video of. So hopefully it helped somebody. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Again, appreciate y'all.
Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe and hit that bell. Right there, everyone.